versus Sir Team Harpo. ICC number 7, set by number 3, spy by number 20, ICC number 13, Harpo. Set by number 6, free ball by 15, set by number 17, for the better, free ball, 5. Alright, they're dropped by versus number 11, Team Pontevedra. 1 love. Serving jersey number 17 of Team Pontevedra. 2 love. Serving again jersey number 17 of Team Pontevedra. 2 love. ICC Team Hardcore set with free ball number 6, ICC number 17, set by number 3, free ball number 10, ICC number 13, set by number 6, by number 15, by Team Hardcore. Home, 1 serving 2. 1 serving 2. Serving jersey number 6 of Team Hardcore Jaguars. 1 serving 2. ICC number 17, set by number 3, by number 11. Score for Team Pontevedra. 3 serving 1. Serving jersey number 17, Pontevedra, ICC Team Hardcore, set by number 6. Free ball number 15, ICC number 7, set by number 3. Free ball number 11, ICC number 15, spy number 15, number 4, Pontevedra, free ball number 11. ICC number 6, set by number 17, spy number 13. ICC number 1, set by number 3, Team Pontevedra, free ball number 7, ICC number 6, set by number 15, Team Hardcore, ICC by Team Pontevedra, set by number 11, free ball number 10, ICC. Good. Good. Shot. Good score. 4 serving 1. Serving, as we see, number 17, set, spy number, as we see, set number 17, Pontevedra, received by number 17, Hardcore, set number 6, free ball number 13, nice one, nice ball number 16, Hardcore, set number 7, free ball drop by Team Pontevedra. 5 serving 1. Serving jersey number 17, Pontevedra. ICC number 17, set by number 6, tied by number 13. Score for Team Hardcore Jaguars. 2 serving 5. Serving jersey number 4 of Team Hardcore Jaguars. ICC number 17, Pontevedra, set by number 7, spy by number 3, ICC number 14, Hardcore, set by number 6. Under, score for Team Pontevedra. 6 serving 2. Serving jersey number 11, Team Pontevedra. ICC number 13, set by number 6, spy by number 15, ICC number 17, Pontevedra, set by number 7. Free ball by number 10, ICC number 17, Hardcore, set by number 6, free ball by number 13. ICC by number 11, Team Pontevedra, ICC Team Hardcore, set by number 6. Free good ball, ICC number 15, safe, spy by 15 of Team Hardcore Jaguars. What a nice score. 3 serving 6. 3 serving 6, serving jersey number 15, Team Hardcore, ICC number 1, set by number 3, free ball, a nice spy, ICC, free ball, ICC, a sack, free ball by number, set by number 6, 5, number 30, Team Harper. 4, serving 6. Serving again, there's number 15, ICC number 2. Set number 7. Team Baba number 10, ICC Team Harper. Set number 6. 5 number 13. 5, serving 6.
Precious na dapat. Isa to nga si Precious ay.
Serving verse number 15 of Team Harper Jaguars. Serving receipt number 17. Good ball, good ball, good ball. ICC Team Cotabella. Set number 7. 5 number 10, ICC Team 15. Set number 6. Under, score for Team Cotabella. 7, serving 5. 7, serving 5. Serving there's number 10 of Team Parehas Cotabella. Service A by Team Cotabella. 8, serving 5. Serving again, jersey number 10, Team Parehas Cotabella. ICC number 15, set number 6, 5 number 13, ICC number 1, set number 17, Cotabella, 5 number 17. Score for Team Cotabella, 9, serving 5. Serving jersey number 10, Team Cotabella. 9, serving 5, nice. And outside serve, score for Team Harper. 6, serving 9. 69. Serving jersey number 13 of Team Harper. 6, serving 9. Service A by Team Harper Jaguars. 7, serving 9. Serving again, jersey number 13 of Team Harper Jaguars. ICC number 2, set number 7. Spike number 17, ICC number 1. Nice receives, nice save by Team Harper. Receive Team Cotabella, set number 7. Spike. Nice save by Team Harper, set number 6. Spike. Score for Team Harper Jaguars. 8, serving 9. Serving jersey number 13 of Team Harper Jaguars. 8, serving 9. We would like to acknowledge the presence of the Gawad Mario Sola. Nice to see you, Team Harper. Nice save, Team Cotabella. By number 10, nice to see Team Harper. Set by number 6. This score for Team Cotabella. Serving 8. Serving jersey number 3 of Team Cotabella. ICC number 15, set number 5, free ball. ICC number Team Cotabella, set number 7, free ball. ICC Team Harper, set number 6, free ball. ICC number 3, free ball number 7, ICC by Team Harper. Set free ball number 12, ICC number 2, set number 7, set number 17. Unfortunately, it's outside. Score for Team Harper Jaguars. 9, serving 11.
Boy Loy bala. Tuduha bala tuduha.
Serving jersey number 12 of Team Harper Jaguars. Nice to see number 1 of Team Cotabella, set number 3. Nice to see set number 6. 5, score for Team Harper Jaguars. 10, serving 11. Serving jersey number 12 of Team Harper Jaguars. Nice to see number 1, set number 17, free ball by number 7. Nice to see number 12, set number 6, free ball by number 4, set by a nice block by jersey number 2, Team Finance Pontevedra. 12 serving time. Serving jersey number 2, Team Finance Pontevedra. SEC number 15, set by number 6. Team by number 4, SEC number 2, Team Pontevedra, set by number 3. Team by number 6, SEC Team Firefox, set by number 6. Nice save. But miss. Score for Team Firefox Jaguars. 11 serving 12. Serving. Firefox Jaguars. ICC number 1, Team Pontevedra, set by number 3, Spike. Nice block, nice save, nice spike by Team Firefox. Nice Team Pontevedra, set good ball. Outside, score for Team Firefox Jaguars. All 12. All 12 serving Team Firefox Jaguars. ICC number 7, set by number 3, spike by number 11. ICC number 17, set by number 6 of Team Firefox, spike by number 13. Unfortunately, it's outside. Score for Team Pontevedra. 13 serving 12. Serving jersey number 17 of Team Pontevedra. ICC number 13, set by number 6, spike by number 15. Score for Team Firefox. All 13. Serving jersey number 5, Team Firefox. Nice receipt number 3, Spike. Unfortunately, the spike of Team Pontevedra was outside score for Team Firefox. 14, serving 13. Serving jersey number 6 of Team Firefox. Nice receipt number 17, set by number 3. Spike by number 17, nice receipt number 17 of Team Firefox. Crossing violation committed by Team Firefox Jaguars for Team Finance Pontevedra. All 14. Serving jersey number 7 of Team Pontevedra. Nice to see you. On 15, 7 number 6, Team number 15. Nice to see you. Team Pontevedra, 7 number 11, Team number 7. Change favor. 15 serving 14. Serving jersey number 7 of Team Pontevedra. Nice to see number 15. Nice block by Team Finance Pontevedra. 16 serving 14. 16 serving 14. Serving jersey number 7 of Team Finance Pontevedra. As you see, number 7 of Team Firefox, 7 number 6. Double by doubles. 17 serving 14. Serving jersey number 7 of Team Finance Pontevedra. 17 serving 14. Next you see number 17, number 5. Nice save by Team Pontevedra. Nice set. 18 serving 14. 18 serving 14, serving jersey number 7 of Team Finance Pontevedra. 19. Serving jersey number 7 of Team Pontevedra. 20, serving 14. Habol. Serving. Jersey number 4, Team Harbour Jaguars. ICC number 17, serve number 7, free ball. ICC number 15, Harbour, serve number 4. Free ball by number 13, ICC number 17. Outside, 21, serving 15. Serving jersey number 11, Team Pirates of the Night. Nice receive number 12, set by number 5, by number 15, nice receive number 11, set by number 7. A strong Carlos 5 by jersey number 17, Pirates of the Night. 22, serving 15. Serving jersey number 11, Team Pontevedra. Nice to see number 17, set. Free ball. Nice to see Team Pontevedra, set by number 7. Spike by number 10. Pass to Substitution 9, 3, and serving number 11, Pontevedra, ICC number 17, serving number 5, free ball number 3, ICC number 17, Team Pontevedra, serving number 7, block. 4 for Team Pontevedra, last 1. Match point for Team Var and Pontevedra. Nice to see number 12, set number 5. 16, serving last 1. Nice to see Pontevedra, set. Free ball number 2, nice to see number 17, Team Harbour, set number 5. Free ball number 13, nice to see number 17, set. Number 7. Nice to see Team Harbour, set number 5. Spike. Good ball. Nice save number 15. Nice to see Team Pontevedra, set number 7. Spike number 10. Nice to see number 17. Set by number 5. Spike by number 5. Our winner for our fourth set.